welcome back to another video. So this video today is going to talk about the get jacked or get hacked movement. And I just went to B-Side Orlando this past weekend and I had that shirt on, and I want to get into that in a second. So before I get into that, you know the drill. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I want to talk about the movement just a little bit, right? What was the purpose of this movement and how did it come about, right? And I got this cool shirt at B-Sides Orlando. So kudos to you guys. You guys did an awesome job. Thank you, Full Sail, and B-Sides Orlando for having all the great stuff that was there. All the workshops that we did. We did a reverse engineering workshop, and we also did a cloud breaching in AWS and in Azure, GCP. They talk about all this fun stuff, and that was from Black Hills. But anyway, so I just wanted to get back on this subject because I was wearing it. My friend James was wearing it, and Myro, right? I got a few shirts. I don't have any with me right now. That's upstairs, but I want to jump onto my desktop and show you guys and all that stuff. So the movement became about, I think, about 3 months ago, right? And if you guys don't know, I like to mess around and rhyme words, right? Off camera, obviously. But, one day I was just talking to a friend. We were going to the gym, and I'm like, dude, hurry up because I want to make a hacking video and blah, blah, blah. I'm like, let's go get jacked or you're going to get hacked. Messing around, like tinkering with him, like I want to hack him, right? But after thinking about it, I was like, get jacked or get hacked. And what the movement became then, I was like, okay, there's a lot of people that go through mental health issues. If it's depression, if it's anxiety, if it's social anxiety, whatever kind of situation that you're in, what can help that? Working out, right? Walking, getting off this chair and leaving the house. It was more about that. It's not about going to the gym and getting jacked. It was more about just getting out of the house, getting off your video games, getting off your computer, whatever causes your anxiety or your depression, whatever you're going through, get out of the house and get help, right? And help for me, is going to the gym, fighting. These are things that I enjoy. And I just recently got into arm wrestling, right? If you saw some stuff from B-Side and, DEF CON, I've been messing around and just doing some arm wrestling with friends. And I'm like, I don't know, 29-0 now. One guy at B-Side, he gave me a challenge, but he couldn't move this arm. So I think I'm onto something with this, but that's nor here or there. But yeah, so just wanted to make something and put a little movement out there. And like I said, I made like 10 shirts. I think I made eight shirts that I brought, and like 2 that, I kept for myself just in case one gets messed up and I have a backup. So what I'm going to be doing is selling these shirts because at B-Side, I got a lot of inquiries. And like I said, it was just like a movement for me, my friends, that we work out and we're just like, oh, get jacked or get hacked. So I want to jump onto my desktop, and I made a Google form. So if you saw me at at B-Side, or, anyone is interested in getting these shirts, what I want to do with this money is reinvest this money into my YouTube channel. So whatever I raise, I'm only shipping these shirts within the US. So if you order it outside the US, I'm sorry, I'm not going to ship them out to you. But I have, maybe one day I'll be able to ship those and you can order them online. Right now, I'm just printing them locally and, shipping them out on my own dime, right? That's why, it's going to be about $65 for a hoodie. And I already have 2 people actually purchased the hoodie. KevTech being one. If you guys don't know KevTech, go watch his videos. He's awesome. And then I had another buddy that I go to the gym with that he likes wearing sweaters. So he ordered a sweater and, they're going to be getting shipped out to them. and the t-shirt will be 35 bucks. So I'm not making much off of it. So it's not about making a lot of money. It's just about, getting these shirts out there. So if you're interested, I want to put the link in the description below, and let's jump onto the desktop and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right. So here we are. I made this little form. I want to put this link in the description below. So what I want to probably need is obviously your name, your email address, shoot over your email address, and your phone number. So what I can do is when you email me, I'm not going to ask for your address on this form, but I'm going to need an address to ship these shirts. So your shirt size, right? If extra small to XXL. I'm sure I think this is the largest right now, XX. I don't know if XXX is available. So this is the shirt, and I want to bring over some more pictures in a second. But so for the t-shirts, it'll be 35 bucks, right? And the hoodies are right here, and they're going to be 65 bucks. So this is it. And if you want to see what the actual shirt says, give me 1 second. Let me open up a picture. Let me try to zoom this all the way in. I don't know if I can get this. All right, it's a little blurry, but it says get jacked or get hacked. Obviously, it's my YouTube channel, right? So, and obviously 302, if you guys are nerds, 302 is a redirect, right? So instead of going to InfoSec Pat YouTube channel, get your butt off this chair and go to the gym or go work out, go to the park, do pull-ups, whatever floats your boat, right? So the resource requested was found to be in the gym, right? And then we have this little art thing that's a guy's doing a bench press on a bench. So that's pretty much the t-shirts, right? And let's go ahead and go to the hoodies. So same kind of thing, same exact same logo. Obviously, it's a little blurry, but yeah, this is the hoodie. And yeah, let's go back. Let's exit out of here. So the hoodies go up to XXL as well, and they'll be like $65. So like I said, I'm not trying to make mucho dinero out of this. I'm just trying to get this movement started, right? And I want to put something on my Instagram so people that, haven't seen my videos yet, they can see it on Instagram. But please share this video. If anyone is going through any mental health issues, any, this movement is for you guys. It's just literally for, the nerds or whatever you want to call us, right? Nerds, geeks, whatever. Like these people that just sit behind a computer for 15 hours a day just to get out for an hour. Heath Adams, he's awesome. I love that guy. He's doing big things. He talks about it, right? He was working so many hours. He wasn't given any time for himself, right? Now he's dedicating hour a day to go work out, play basketball. That's the movement. Getting jacked is not about getting swole, right? It's about, okay, if I don't work out, right? He was talking about Heath, and he spoke openly about stuff that he was going through, right? Other folks in the industry as well, right? So say, for example, myself, I want to speak on me, right? I have one lung. I don't talk about that, but I only have one lung, right? So with COVID and all that stuff and whatever's going on in the world, I had to be careful, right? So if I wasn't exercising, if I wasn't eating right, whatever, I can get attacked from that virus, right? And so if you're healthy, right, you won't be susceptible to those viruses, those attacks. So it's similar in our world, right? If you have a machine or if you have a network or you have a server that's really hardened, patched and everything, it's going to be harder to get that virus and attack and blah, 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 right? So pretty much this is the movement, right? Be healthy and work out so you're not susceptible to those vulnerabilities, those attacks into your immune system to take over and cripple you, right? And yeah, I didn't realize this guy was in the gym, right? This is actually funny. But that's the movement. And if you have any questions for me, you can hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, or you can leave a comment in the description below, and I'll be more than happy to have a discussion with you about this movement and just share this video, right? If you have anyone that's going through anything, and if you want to gift them a shirt or a hoodie or whatever, obviously send me, if black is, preferred. I have black. This is what I gave out. And if you want a different color, shoot it over to me, and I'll see if I can get that color from the printing factory. And yeah, we'll go from there. But obviously black is ideal, and it's a good color that it goes well. But if you have any questions, like I said, leave a comment in the description, and hit me up on social media on however you want to contact me, and I'll be more than happy to talk with you. So thank you so much for viewing this video. Remember, this is more for this movement of get hacked or get jacked, and or get jacked or get hacked, sorry. And yeah, thank you so much, and until next time, have an awesome day.